So, someone just peed behind us. Yeah,
Dafür.
that's perfect location. So, hello together from the Nufenenpass.
Hallo, liebe Grüße. Ich bin geschockt.
Hello together!
Liebe Grüße aus der Schweiz.
So, today we are here on the beautiful Nufenenpass and the weather could be better.
Oh yes.
So, today we're going to look for some wildlife. So, we hope to find some. And yeah, someone just peed behind us.
Ui.
Yeah. So, let's go!
Let's go. It was very nice.
So, we just found our new home. It looks beautiful. Just needs some new paint. So, it was absolutely beautiful on the Nufenenpass.
Schaut euch es selber an, kommt her. Es ist einfach einmalig.
Oh yeah, the landscape is absolutely breathtaking. And if you're lucky, you can see some ibexes. And we can't recommend the restaurant. It's not very good. So if you come here, visit the Nufenenpass, it's definitely worth it. Thanks for watching and yeah, we see you in the next one. Bye.
Danke vielmals fürs Zuschauen. Tschüss.